Hi friends, welcome to my channel and thank you for being here. Before I talk in brief about the channel, let me give a quick intro. This channel is regarding sharing my perspectives and thought process while investing in stock market. So, presenting you Sher Subbu. Initially I thought to video record channel introduction. Unfortunately, not all facilities are available right now as the country is going through lockdown. So for the time being, adjust with this animation. By the way, this is actual me. In this video, I am going to talk about myself, general information about channel, and what's the idea behind this logo. Now I will talk about myself. For the time being, I will not mention my long South Indian name. You can call me Subbu. I am 24-year-old. I have completed my BCom honors and CA IPC simultaneously. I have done my BCom from Bhavan Sainikpuri College. Then I have undergone articleship training for most of the time from P. Mully and Company of Hyderabad. Right now, I am preparing for CA final. Initially, I didn't know much about stock market till a friend of mine took me to mock stock for an inter-college competition. Well, a group of two is a must, so he picked me. While in competition, I hardly did anything. He wanted me to note few stock quotations, and I did. At the end, he said, being a student of CA, you should be able to better understand all of this. When I didn't clear my CA IPC attempt, I was free as the time for my next attempt was sufficient to prepare. Also, I had preparation holidays, so I need not attend my college. I spent that free time tracking stock market. That was my introduction to stock market. None of my family members are active in tracking markets. Forget, they still believe in fixed deposits. Though initially it was tricky to track markets, but as time passed by, I got used to it. To get a basic understanding about stock market, I did consider corporate actions. So, I used to track companies around splits, bonus, dividends, board meetings, and rights issues. Then I moved towards understanding quarterly results and capital expenditure. This was the time where I had to take an important decision. To continue further in understanding stock market, I had to compromise on other things to compensate time. Because I feel in stock market, investing time is more important than investing money. Only by investing time, one can gain conviction. So, I had to give up my other professional course, company secretary. I was actively tracking markets and started dividing my time between reading articles, listening to management interviews, and tracking movements of companies in my watch list. In 2016, we were going through bull market and markets were crazy. It was tough time for me to concentrate on stock market along with my CA course and BCom honors. Clearing CA IPC took some time, but stock market and BCom honors still put me in positive zone. In stock market, I started analyzing my strengths. And in BCom honors, I was scoring well and fortunate enough to have few highest scoring papers. So, piece of advice from my side. Unless you manage things properly, it is tough to concentrate on two courses at the same time. By this time, I have finished my BCom honors and I was ready to enter CA articleship agreement. I have sent my work on stock market, which I have compiled to few auditors of Hyderabad. To my surprise, I got a reply from an auditor who was also previously a public nominee director by SEBI for Hyderabad Stock Exchange. He believed in research as a way to gain knowledge more than anything. I spent a great time analyzing companies under his guidance. He used to give me CA work which is more related to stock market, like listed companies' quarterly results, and supported me to get more towards stock market learning. Otherwise, the general preference would be either audit or taxation. The more time I spent And the more information I track and understand than earlier, I figured out common trends and patterns among successful companies. As my conviction was high, with a great effort, I got contact details of few stalwarts of stock market and started forwarding my work. Fortunate enough to get their attention and sometimes even their reply. Well, being in Hyderabad and continuing my CA course, it has always put constraints in terms of place and time to send my research work to investors very often. But one day, I am sure I shall meet them personally. Towards end of my articleship, I started preparing for CA final. I found CA Rahul Jain coming for a great help. He is like a big brother of mine. We had common interest towards equity research and spent a good time discussing stock market after my coaching class. I can't thank him enough to help me stick to this direction and also to give valuable inputs. With him, I understood the importance of quarterly results and listening to con calls. Sir, sorry brother, thank you so much. I have completed my articleship and I have given my CA final attempt. I could not clear. Right now I am preparing for my second attempt. This is about myself. Now about my channel. Well, over time, with continuous tracking of markets and forming an opinion and sending my work to investors, I have developed my own perspective towards looking at stock market. I used to share them with my friends, and I thought with YouTube as a platform, I can share with a larger number. I am a beginner in stock market and I see my friends investing in stock market and going through losses. Their investment is without any thought process. The buying instincts are only with the spread news that one can make money in short time. Well, one can, but this is not the way. One should have a thought process that can fetch them return over time. People directly invest, and I don't know why others encourage this habit. Basic research is always important. In fact, it's a must. I'll try to help you with possible websites and platforms and even my own thought process so that you may get a better perspective. The more I am going to learn, the more I will share. So this channel is not about stock recommendations and stock tips. Unless required, I am thinking of not even mentioning company names. On the other hand, I will share with you some predictable trends and patterns. Also, with this channel as a platform, I will share with you how I analyze and also I will share with you my own thought process. Here are few mentions. Let me take price as an example. If price is so simple and formula based, that is EPS into PE, then why are everyone not making money? What about the quality aspects? So, at a particular point of time, what a PE is trying to communicate is very important. I will focus about this very often. You must have heard about splits and bonus, right? Have you ever noticed companies announcing splits and bonus simultaneously? Cash flow statement, the most crucial, yet we all neglect. I use the simple tool in understanding cash flow statement. How? I simply draw. And you know what? It makes a huge difference. And now, what fascinated me with this logo? With the name Share Subbu and specifically with share, one can relate to shares and stock market. Also, very often I can ask you to share my videos. Logo refers to both initial words of Share Subbu. The logo represents horns of a bull. Bull is referred as being positive in stock market, to have wait and watch approach, and to be aggressive when time turns your favor. The green color is that what we see when there is a gain in share price. Watch other videos from this channel, and if you are happy with the content, subscribe to Share Subbu and click the bell icon so that you'll never miss an update. Also, share these videos so that they have a better reach. Thank you.